Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer and welcome to Best Kept Plans. Today's video is going to be a plan with me for the week of May 12th through the 18th, 2025, using my A5 notebook from Archer and Olive. If you're interested in seeing that, please stick around. Here we are in my A5 notebook. I'm going to be going with a vertical layout over 4 pages for this week's spread. I'm doing a stencil theme for May and I'm going to be using this stencil. I apologize, I've had it for a while and I actually have no idea where I got it from. I'm using these number stamps from Heidi Swap, these Days of the Week stamps from Everyday Explorers Co. I'm using the May stamp from this set from Paper Person. I'm using this quote stamp set from Heidi Swap, and I'm bringing in 2 different colored distressed oxides as well as my black VersaFine ink. I've had the stencil that I'm using for all of the deco for this week's spread for a very, very long time, and I, for some reason, have just not gotten around to using it. And so when I was trying to think of what I wanted to do stencil-wise this week, I decided that I wanted to switch things up from last week's spread, where I had deco in very specific spots, but the actual days of the week were just black and white with the date and day. And so for this week's spread, I decided to utilize this stencil where I could have the stencil be a bit of a background for the date and day of the week on every day of the week. So I'm going in with these like abstract shapes and utilizing those first. And then this stencil has 4 different little, I don't know what I'd even call them, but like abstract collections of shapes. And so I'm using those as well, but I knew I didn't want them to be in the same solid harsh black that I put my dates and days of the week in with. So I used this distressed oxide that I have that is meant to be a pretty dark black, but happens to be a little bit of a hair more gray than straight solid black. So I used that, and after getting all of the headers down with my stencil, I decided to move on to my stamps, starting with my May stamp and then adding in a week number sticker, which I forgot to share in the beginning. Now I'm going in with these abbreviated script days of the week stamps and then my little number stands from Heidi Swap, and I'm just trying to tuck in the date somewhere where it makes sense once I put the day of the week down. So most of the time I'm able to tuck it in just above where the start of the abbreviated day of the week is. Friday was a little bit different just because the F takes up so much space. And once I'm done with doing that, I did put some stencils down in the bottom right corner. I added in this quote from Heidi Swap, and then the last little bit here is me putting in the lines to separate each day of the week using my Micron in 08. And with those lines put in, we are done with this week's spread. I'm really happy with the way this spread came out. I really love the way the headers for each day of the week look with these stencils and the stamps. And even though we're only using 1 colored distressed oxide, I think it has a nice pop of color to it that gives it a little bit of a springy vibe. I hope that you all enjoyed this plan with me. And as always, everyone, please be safe. Bye-bye.